Hello friends, I'm Pooja and welcome to Cook Smart. Today we are going to make apple milkshake. So let's start with the recipe. To make apple milkshake, take one medium size apple. Let's peel it. Apple contain pectin, a type of fiber that act as prebiotic, which promote good gut bacteria. Apple contain potassium, manganese, vitamin C, K, fiber and iron. Iron will prevent deficiency of hemoglobin. Once apple is peeled, chop it roughly. Now take a blending jar and add chopped apple in it. Ten ice cubes. 4 tablespoons sugar. You can adjust the sweetness of milkshake as per your taste. Now place lid and blend until it gets smooth. Now add a glass of milk and blend it again. Apple milkshake is ready. Let's pour it in serving glasses. Garnish with some almond flakes. You may also garnish with pistachios or walnut. Chilled and refreshing apple milkshake is ready. I hope you like my today's recipe. If you are new to channel, subscribe it for more such recipes. Till then, make apple milkshake and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below.